Second trust deeds, golden opportunity, or financial death trap? The truth? It all depends on what you know before you bid. Hi, my name is Amy Jones, and I've flipped over 1,000 foreclosures. Buying a junior lien can be a power move if you know exactly how much is owed on the senior liens. Otherwise, you're not buying a property. You're buying a very expensive problem. I'll never forget the worst auction moment of my career. New investors, wide-eyed and full of excitement, started bidding on a second trust deed like it was Christmas morning. But what they didn't know, there was a $150,000 first trust deed sitting quietly in the shadows, ready to crush them. We, the experienced investors, kept exchanging these panicked looks, but the rules were clear. No talking, no warnings. Like, we couldn't say a thing. We could only stand there and watch the horror unfold. They kept bidding higher and higher, digging themselves into a hole they'd never crawl out of, all because they didn't spend $5 on an O&E report. That's the owner encumbrance report for the newbies out there. A $5 report that tells you every lien and every cloud on title, every hidden landmine before you step on it. Now let me show you how this should go. At another auction, there was a property listed for just over $21,000. Looks like a steal, right? But I ran the O&E report. Boom, found a hidden lien for 43 grand. Because I knew the real numbers, I adjusted my max bid down by that 43K. I ended up winning the auction, paid off the senior lien, and still made a profit. No surprises, no financial gut punches. Buying junior liens isn't the problem. Not knowing they're junior liens, that's the real killer. Learn the game, protect your wallet, and always read your O&E report before you bid. Hit that subscribe button if you want more real-world strategies that'll actually make you money, not cost you a fortune. And click the link below to join our investor community and gain access to our full step-by-step real estate investing course to save you from mistakes like these poor investors made.